Bro, have you heard of this thing called the power of manifestation and all
Of
that?
course.
And can you elaborate a little bit on how you've used the power of manifestation?
When I came to Bombay for the first time, तब मुझे याद है मैं ऑडिशन देने जाता था और अपने मन में मैंने सोचा था कि जब तक मेरा कोई ऑडिशन क्रैक नहीं होगा मैं किसी बीच को नहीं देखूंगा. लाइक मैं जुहू बीच क्रॉस करता था एंड बॉम्बे इज लाइक इट्स राइट नेक्स्ट टू द ओशन. मैं देखूंगा ही नहीं. मैं ऐसे जाता था ऑटो से छुप के एंड इट वॉज द पावर सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. एक हफ्ते तक मैंने देखा ही नहीं बीच को. किसी के घर जाता था, बीच नजर आ रहा, मैं देखता ही नहीं था. एंड when I got my first contract in my hand as a radio presenter, then I went to Juhu Beach and I opened my arms and I was like, I've arrived. I've conquered this world. So, you manifest your energy and you just think about a particular thing and you achieve it finally. And ऐसा नहीं वो सोच के तुम सोचते रहो, but तुम्हें कुछ करना भी पड़ता है उसके लिए.
100%.
So, वो किया है. I think you have to be disciplined also at the same time. I was suffering personally in my life and I was not talking to my parents, nobody. I was such a hustler when I was in early 20s.
कि वो horse vision.
हाँ, मैं मुंबई में नया आया था, रेडियो शो करता था, एक टीवी सीरियल करता था और MTV भी करता था और मैं सिर्फ गाड़ी में सोता था. मैं सोता ही नहीं था. Like I got a driver only because I could sleep. So I used to just sleep for 3 hours. परेल में ऑफिस था, 1.5 घंटा आना, 1.5 घंटा जाना, 3 घंटे सोता था दिन में. I used to work like a horse. I think right now it's time to enjoy your stardom.
Nice.
I'll tell you, your confidence comes from success. And you'll always question yourself when you're going through failures. The worst and the best part of your life are the failures. They are the best teachers. Success is a very lousy teacher. Failure is your friend, your philosopher and your guide. जब तक आप failure नहीं देखोगे, तब तक आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Like it's better if you see failure early in your life. अगर आप 50-60 के बाद फेलियर देखोगे, आप सह नहीं कर पाओगे. So it's very difficult. So I'm glad after my first film I saw 3 unsuccessful films and that was a great learning curve. अभी भी मैं ये नहीं बोलता हूँ कि मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ कि मेरी स्क्रिप्ट सेंस बहुत अच्छी है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. पब्लिक सब जानती है, ऑडियंस सबसे ज़्यादा उसको पता होता है. एंड यू कैन नॉट बी ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट. यू हैव टू बी ऑलवेज बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. इट गिव्स यू दैट प्रैक्टिकल थिंग इन योर हेड कि यार हर फ्राइडे किस्मत बदल सकती है. You have to motivate yourself.
Okay.
कोई आपका पार्टनर भी आपको मोटिवेट नहीं करता है. When I told my wife, when she was my girlfriend, that I want to be an actor, she started laughing. So like, शक्ल देखी है अपनी. I had to have braces that time, wear glasses. I was preparing for my PMT, pre-medical exams that time. And we were doing theatre together. And she was like, तुम पैसे कैसे कमाओगे? How will you earn and make a living for yourself? So it's not always true that your partner will be very supportive with your goals. You have to be self-motivated. और तुम्हारा कोई साथ नहीं देने वाला, तुम खुद ही अपना साथ दोगे.
What is your tip for that kid who's lost his confidence in life?
Be close to your family, your parents, and close to friends who motivate you, and they are not just yes men around you. They show you the real picture and also encourage you. I think your company really makes a difference. Either you get complexed when you're surrounded with a lot of successful people around you, or you get motivated by them. It's your choice. So I guess it's the choice you have to make, and be sane in your head. Read a lot of books. Every day evolve. Learn something new. That'll never go waste. I think success is when preparation meets opportunity, and there's no dearth of opportunity in Mumbai. You should be well prepared. Life is about timing. जब तक बैटिंग करते हुए टाइमिंग करेक्ट नहीं होती, कुछ छक्का नहीं लगता, चौका नहीं लगता. अब अपॉर्चुनिटी सबके लिए बढ़ गई है. It is open to all. If you have talent, there's no lack of opportunities, and you give auditions, you're there. Any artist, like this is the best era to be an artist.